Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on logging out of iCloud on Mac. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Click on the Apple icon in the top left corner of the desktop. Then click System Settings from the drop-down menu. Click on your username and Apple ID at the top of the left menu. Scroll down the Apple ID settings page and click Sign Out. You can choose to keep a copy of your iCloud data on the Mac or not. Enter your Apple ID password and click Continue. Enter your Mac login password and click OK. Your iCloud is now logged out of your Mac. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mac tips and tricks.